Hey Boos, I'm on the Greenway, I think. I actually don't know what I'm doing here, but I do know that we are here for the Grid Celebrity Pro-Am, whatever that means. They've got to take a ball and hit it that way, and whoever gets the closest to the hole with 3 shots is gonna win a Peloton Bike Plus. And look, right there. They can see what they're winning right there. Oh, and it's gone. And that cost us $5 million. Welcome to hole 12.
Hey,
I feel like I'm seeing like my teacher at Target right now because I love Nobody Wants This, but I was not expecting like the blonde hair.
Oh,
I like the switch up.
thank you.
It looks really good on you.
Thank you very much.
Since I know nothing about F1, actually what I'm asking a lot of people is, if you and I are playing Rainbow Road, who are you picking for Mario Kart?
If I want to just like be a little chaosy, go Waluigi.
Okay, that's a great choice.
Yeah.
That's a great choice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hang on.
Well,
Hang on.
no, that wasn't good. I know.
I'm gonna
that.
say that's not.
No, it was not good.
Suboptimal.
You got to get the.
How are you?
I'm good. We're having a good day. We just started.
Are you gonna try to win this bike?
I bet you I could get one from you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're a sweet prince.
Just make sure you use the right wood.
What would you like me to use? All I have is a 3 or a 5.
I need something bigger than that, honestly.
Trust me, I'm telling you that I don't have a 7.
Oh! And that's okay. It's not
Threes
about,
are-
it's
what's
not
wrong
about
with
the
the 3 wood?
size. It's not about the size, it's about how you use it.
It's how hard you swing it.
It's how hard you swing it.
That's right. This is a Peloton answer. Peloton, it's how hard you swing it.
It is how hard you swing it.
Come here, Prince.
Okay.
All right. There you
Hands
go.
on the bottom.
And like this. Loosen up. Relax. Relax. Get loose. You're too tight. Breathe. Push.
Oh.
One more time. No, that's fine. Stay low. Yes! Am I a
Thank
good
you.
coach?
You are a great coach. We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you.
You gonna send me a Peloton?
app.
All right.
You didn't get it close enough, but
Oh, thanks.
maybe a free subscription.
Thanks for nothing.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.